In this video, I'll show you how to open a demo account with Darwinex, one of the most innovative fintech companies in the market. Darwinex has a unique approach, allowing traders to participate for seed capital and attract investor capital using their trading strategies. This means that traders can get rewarded financially for their skills, knowledge and trading expertise, in addition to any profits they make on their own trading account. A demo account is a great way for many traders to start on this journey with Darwinex. It will allow you to practice your trading skills and test different strategies without risking any real money. A demo account is beneficial for beginners who want to learn the basics of trading and gain confidence before moving on to managing real money trading accounts. But even if you're an experienced trader, a demo account can sometimes still be useful. It will allow you to familiarise yourself with the Darwinex platform, our offering, and all of the available tools we have. Demo accounts can also allow you to try out new asset classes, experiment with new trading systems, or familiarise yourself with other trading platforms, such as MT4 or MT5. And opening up your first demo account with Darwinex is simple and fast. But before you can open a demo account, you'll need to first create your Darwinex account. This Darwinex account will enable you to access all of your demo and also any real accounts that you create in the future. To get started, just visit darwinex.com and click on Sign Up. You'll need to choose a username. Note that other users of the platform and future investors will be able to see this, so choose a username wisely. And you will of course also need to choose a name that hasn't already been taken. You'll get a message below here if your choice isn't available. You'll then need to provide an email address and choose a password. Depending on your country, this will show you which financial regulator will apply to you if you do eventually go on to create a live account. So for example, if I choose the United Kingdom, then this will be the UK Financial Conduct Authority. If you choose, for example, Spain or any other country in Europe, then it will be the CNMV that will be your regulator. Next, you'll be taken through a quick process to personalise your Darwinex experience. Depending on whether you're primarily a trader yourself or you want to invest in other traders' strategies, you'll need to choose the applicable option here. Your decision will change how the platform looks to you to make it a better experience. Since you're interested in opening a demo account, you're probably a trader, so let's select that option and also say that in the future we will be interested in attracting third-party investor capital. To tailor your experience further, we need to ask a few more questions, like whether you have a profitable track record over the last 2 years, whether you have any experience in managing third-party investor capital, which assets you'd like to trade with us, what trading platforms you currently use, and finally, how you heard about Darwinex. The platform will then be tailored based on your responses. Next, click on Let's Get Started. You're then taken through a brief overview of how you can link existing MT4 accounts that you have with other brokers, allowing traders to benefit from the analytics we provide regarding their strategies, but more on that in a future video. It will also talk you through where you can create different types of demo and real accounts. So be sure to familiarise yourself with all the available options open to you. Note that now you've provided your basic details to us, we'll send you an email to the address you provided. You need to open that and click on the Verify Email Address link so that your account gets fully set up. Once you've done this, you'll find yourself on the Trading Accounts section on the Open an Account page. So you're now ready to create your Darwinex demo account. You'll first need to provide a name for the account. This isn't so important for a demo account, but in live accounts, other traders and investors will be able to see it, so choose a name wisely. You also need to choose the type of account. I'm going to choose MT5, then select your preferred account currency and tell us what you want the initial virtual balance to be. You can open as many demo accounts as you need with different balances, currencies and trading platforms. Your demo account will be created immediately and you'll be provided with your connection details, including the server you'll need to connect to, your unique login and your passwords. To open and close positions in the account, you'll need to use the master password. The investor password here will allow you to log in to view already open positions, but you won't be able to open or close any positions using this. Be sure to save a safe copy of these details, especially the login and master password, and then you can click here to download the trading terminal to your computer. You simply need to run the download installation file and follow the instructions. Because I tend to have multiple platforms installed, I like to specify the name of the folder rather than just accepting the default. This helps me identify each trading terminal. To do this, simply click on Settings. I also give the program group the same name. Once you've done that, click on Next. Now sit back while it installs and then click on Finish. The trading terminal will automatically open and an icon will also be placed on your desktop for the next time you want to start it. You can see that TradeSlide Trading Tech Limited is selected by default. Don't worry that this doesn't say Darwinex. TradeSlide is just the name of the Darwinex authorised and regulated entity in the UK. And you can now use this second option here to log into an existing account, where you can use the credentials you were just provided with a moment ago, and because this is a demo account, we want to leave the server as the default. And that's it. You can see the terminal is connected because live prices are being streamed, but note that you can also access your demo account from the web version of the platform, or alternatively from the MT5 mobile app, using the same credentials that you've already been provided with. Looking at the Trade tab here, we can see that the balance has been set to 100,000 of virtual USD, as we requested. So let's go ahead and open our first position. I'll select New Order by right-clicking on Eurodollar, say that I want 0.1 lots, and set a stop loss, and buy. You can now see that position on the Trade tab and see the profit value changing as the underlying price moves. By default, you'll see currency pairs in the Market Watch window here. If you want to trade other asset classes, you can access the full symbol list by clicking this icon here. You can now see commodities, stock indices, individual stocks, and so on. Simply open up the symbol tree and then double-click on the assets that you wish to trade. They then appear here in the Market Watch window, ready for trading. Another benefit of a demo account with Darwinex is that you'll start to familiarise yourself with the Darwinex platform and some of the metrics it provides. Obviously, you won't get as many metrics as for a live account, but you will see how your trade data gets passed through to the platform to produce metrics that you can then use in your research as you hone your trading strategies. That's it! You've successfully opened a demo account with Darwinex, and you're ready to practice your trading skills and learn more about this innovative broker and asset manager. Note that although you can open as many demo accounts as you need, be aware that they automatically expire if you don't log into them for 20 days. So what are you waiting for? Open a demo account with us today and start to discover the benefits of being part of the Darwinex ecosystem. If you have any questions or doubts, you can contact our friendly and professional customer service team using their email info@darwinex.com. Also, see a link to our next recommended video on screen now.